Hi, this video will be unpacking two packs that I received in the last month. Okay, let's begin with this one. This one is from China. I will use a alcohol to open it up. Let's open it up and see what we get inside this package. Okay, let's see. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see what we have here. Okay, nothing more. Okay, and there you have it, a shirt with the Raspberry, with the JayThree. Let's show you. Okay, this is my logo of medium hobbyist, a very good, let me show you, a very good application, screen application, silk screen application, and the medium.com, Jungotronics, and medium.com, Jungotronics, and in the last in the back we have these three justifying the JayThree name: Arduino, Raspberry, and PIC microcontroller. Let me show you. It's a very good application on the, and I have three of them. Let me show you. Yes, and there you have it. Okay, this is the first one. I will put it in the, let's open this other one. Let me see where this, okay, let's open for the, sorry. Okay. Sorry about there. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's open up from here. Here too. Here too. Okay. Let's see. So over here. Over here. And there you have it. All right, man. Let me show you. Let me show you what it is. Okay, this is a HDMI cable, mini to normal. Okay, right here, mini HDMI, mini HDMI, and HDMI 1.5 meter. Okay, it's for my using my Raspberry Zero. Here you have it, the Raspberry Zero. Let me show you. All right, the board, a beautiful board. Let me set the focal. All right, man. See, everything's fine here. For the pins right here, HDMI mini. This is for HDMI mini, HDMI. This is for the camera. Let me show you. Let me show you. There you have it. Finally, I've got my, let me show you. This is the camera that I want to show you. Let's, oh man, look at this. Let me focus here, and there you have it. Okay, the camera goes right here. Okay, right here. Can you see? Right here. Let me focus. Sorry. It's fine. This is the camera who's here, and this is the Raspberry camera. Okay, here's the focus. Let me show you more closely. And there you have a nice little camera in the thumbnail. I'll show you again. And here is, okay, this is all for now. Okay, let me show you, and thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.